It's not as bad as other strippers that I've used. The previous owner of this here 2012 Harley Davidson Dyna Switchback, he didn't like the color or scheme of the air cleaner here. So he painted it with this wrinkle black paint. I'm okay with it, but having a pretty big issue. You can tell right here, it's chipping all over the place. And that's irking me. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this off and I'm going to strip this wrinkle black paint off. I might repaint it with the same stuff, but probably not. Because when I look at images of how these originally looked, I don't mind how it looked. It's not just a regular football, it's more of a teardrop shape, and I kind of like them the way they're supposed to be. So to get the wrinkle black paint off, I'm going to need some type of paint stripper. And yeah, I'm going to use this here Citristrip stripping gel. Mostly because it's supposed to be good for the environment or something like that and smell citrusy. So let's see. And now we'll let that test area in the center sit for half an hour and see how it works. So I had to wait about 12 hours, but it's coming off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover the rest. I'm going to go to work, let it do its job. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Look at that. And just like that, back to its shiny old self. Let's go put her on the bike. All right, finished product behind me. I'd say I'm pretty happy with it so far. Paint came off pretty easy using this Citristrip paint and varnish stripping gel. It's a bit less toxic than, say, aircraft stripper or whatever that stuff is called. Not as fumey. Smells a little citrusy. Only burned a little bit when I got on my hand and left it there for a few minutes. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. Look at how shiny that thing is so far. I didn't have to use any abrasive instruments. I used a nylon brush and a toothbrush to get all that off. And yeah, gonna use some Mother's aluminum polish to get that a bit brighter. But for the most part, pretty happy. Still might spray paint it again wrinkle black. The reason I stripped it off mostly was because of just how chipped it was. Wasn't the greatest job done on it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that little demonstration of Citristrip. Definitely not sponsored by these guys. Found that at Walmart. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, don't really care. You keep it to yourself. All right, rock on.